How to upload high quality video on TikTok from CapCut. So your first step after opening up your CapCut mobile or your CapCut desktop will be to simply find a project you'd like to export. So let's go with this project right here. So let's say you're done editing, you're done putting in the music, the text, and everything you need. All you need to do here is just go ahead and click on the icon that says AI Ultra HD. Click on this option. Once you have, go ahead and set the resolution to 2K or 4K. Now, with some versions of CapCut, you did have the exclusive option of setting it at 2K or 4K, depending on what you wanted. All right, so now once you've set that up, also move your frame rate all the way to 60 and your bit rate to 50. That way you can get a good amount of quality on your video. Now the next step is, after setting everything at 1080p 4K, just go ahead and turn on the AI Ultra HD. This would then further boost your video quality once you're exporting. That is as a result of your plan with CapCut. You might need to pay for this feature. And once you're done, just go ahead and hit export, and that would be it. All right, guys. So once it's done, that's it.